car polishing with my new car polish equipment. This is the wax machine that I bought to polish my car. Let's see how it looks like inside. Wow, that is amazing. It gives me extra polisher and also a handle and the manual. Also one spanner to tighten. Okay, so I'll fix for you guys now and show you. And also it comes with 3-pin plug. I'm going to use Carwax and polish 2-in-1 for metallic and solid paints. Liquid for my car, so that it will protect from any scratch and also protect my car paint. Visual pad, just stick it easy. This. Okay, then I'm going to fix the handle. I guess it should go here. Just screw it all the way in, so you can just hold like this. That's so easy. Okay, let's start doing. Now we're doing the polish drops on the waffle buffer. Not too much, just a little spot. Okay. See the results now. Second step. Oh, amazing. Look at my car.
That's it.
Guys, it's very nice. I did not even use very long, but it did its job very fast. Can you see? This is a pretty good job. It's already shining. If there's any residues, you can remove the residues with this microfiber cloth. So it's good. My entire car now. I'm going to start polishing, so see you guys soon. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please press like and subscribe below. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.